Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the topic is GST goods and services tax. Here, GST overview. GST goods and services tax, comprehensive indirect tax on manufacture, sales and consumption. One nation, one tax. Introduced in India on 1st July 2017. GST was introduced in 2017 and it replaced multiple indirect taxes like VAT, then VAT, service tax, and excise duty. GST is destination based and removes the cascading effect of tax on tax. Let us explore the types of GST. CGST, Central Goods and Services Tax. SGST, State Goods and Service Tax. IGST, Integrated Goods and Service Tax. UTGST, Union Territory GST. So there are four types of GST. Next, what are the objectives of GST? Remove cascading effect of taxes, create a unified national market, increase tax compliance, simplify indirect taxation. Then GST structure. Dual GST model, center plus state. Tax collected at every value addition. Input tax credit available. Destination based tax system. Next one, GST registration. Mandatory for turnover above threshold limit. Online process via GST portal. GST in, GSTIN, unique identification number. GST returns. GSTR1, outward suppliers. GSTR3B, summary return. GSTR9, annual return. So what are the advantages of GST? Simplified taxation, elimination of multiple taxes, better compliance and transparency, boost to the economy. Disadvantages of GST. Initial implementation challenges requires technological literacy, frequent updates, and compliance burden. Then this is a simple GST problem. Then you understand how to calculate the GST. And let's see a simple GST calculation. Okay. If the product price is 1000, GST equal to 18 percentage. Total 1180 rupees. In that 1000 rupees, 18 percentage GST we calculate. So I add that one, total answer is 180. So 1180 rupees is the profit price. If GST 12 percentage on 2500 on rupees 2500, GST 12 2500 or in 2500 12 percentage, sorry, in that 12,500 12 percentage on GST. So what is the 2500 into 12 by 100? The answer is 300. So we take the 300 minus 300, sorry, plus 300, the answer is 2,800. This is the GST amount of that product. Sorry, that product price. Add GST amount. This is the product price. If IGST we added, how can we calculate IGST? What is the IGST? IGST applies when goods move from one state to another. Okay. So if IGST equal to 18% on interstate sale, that is 18% on interstate sale, rupees 5,000. 5,000 into 18 by 100, the answer is what is that? 900. Okay, GST amount 900. Then next, IFRS. IFRS. What is the full form of IFRS? International Financial Report Reporting Standards, issued by IASP. IFRS means the International Financial Reporting Standard. These standards are issued by the IASP. The purpose is to make financial reports transparent, comparable, and globally acceptable. The next one of the GST sum. Problem 1. Price 10,000, GST 18%, CGST 900, SGST 900. Problem 2. So this is the explanation. What does that mean? So price 10,000 rupees. It's GST 18,000, 18%. So 10 in that 10,000, what is the that means GST 18%. So CGST 900. SGST 900. We add both. We add these three CGST. That means GST.
CGST 900, SGST 900. Total 11,800. Problem 2. Interstate rupees 50,000 at 12%. IGST rupees 6,000. IFRS introduction. IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standards, issued by IASP, ensures global comparability, enhance investors' confidence. Disclosure of accounting policies. AS1. Policies must be disclosed clearly, consistent, year to year, includes depreciation, inventory valuation, revenue recognition. AS2. Valuation of inventories. Inventory valued at cost or net realizable value, NRV, whichever is lower. Cost includes purchase conversion, other cost with methods. FIFO, weighted average method. Construction contracts applicable to long-term construction projects. Revenue recognized based on percentage of completion method. Contract cost include direct and indirect expenses. Thank you.